Welcome to this 10-minute guided mindfulness meditation. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down, and gently close your eye. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. Allow yourself to settle into this moment. Take a moment to set an intention for this meditation. It could be to find calm, to be more present, or simply to take a break from your busy day. Whatever your intention, hold it gently in your mind. Bring your attention to your breath. Notice the sensation of the air as it enters your nose and fills your lungs. Feel your chest and belly rise and fall with each breath. If your mind begins to wander, gently bring your focus back to the breath. There's no need to control it, just observe it. Now shift your attention to your body. Start with your feet and slowly move up, noticing any sensations you may feel. Move to your legs, your hips, and your lower back. Continue to your upper back, shoulders, and arms. Finally, bring your awareness to your neck, face, and head. Notice any areas of tension and allow them to soften and relax. Bring your awareness to your mind. Notice any thoughts that arise. Instead of engaging with them, simply observe them as if they are clouds passing in the sky. Allow them to come and go without judgment or attachment. Return your focus to your breath whenever you feel distracted. Expand your awareness to include your senses. Notice the sounds around you, the temperature of the air on your skin, and any smells or tastes. Fully immerse yourself in the present moment, using your senses to anchor your awareness. Take a moment to simply be. There's nowhere to go, nothing to do, just be present here and now. Embrace this moment of stillness and peace. Feel the connection between your body, mind, and the environment around you. Slowly begin to bring your awareness back to your surroundings. Wiggle your fingers and toes. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Take a moment to notice how you feel. Carry this sense of mindfulness and presence with you throughout your day. Thank you for joining this meditation.